Everybody, this is Brian back with the Fetch.ai FET token update here. Boy, got some very bullish pattern forming here for FET. This thing looks better than it has for a long time, maybe the whole bear market. Okay, this pattern that's forming here, it's taken, let's see how many days this thing has taken to play out. 406 days, over a year. Okay, this pattern has been forming out. You can see it's a perfect cup, perfect handle, downward forming on this thing. And I'm going to show you the measured move for the breakout here for this thing in a second, if we get the breakout. And okay, no guarantees for anything in this market, but definitely a very bullish pattern, and we have a lot of other things lining up for this thing. Okay, first off, let's get back to Bitcoin. That is obviously the big story of the day. It has taken and flipped that. This is on the weekly. Let's put this on the daily. Okay, so you can see this a little bit better. Just taking that former support line that it lost. Okay, had it flipped this right here into support, ended up falling down through it and losing it. Now it has regained it. Bitcoin is up 5.28% for the day, which is beautiful. That's what we want for this thing. The daily RSI is reset down at the bottom for it, which is another thing you want to see. If we look at the technicals on Bitcoin, this is from TradingView. This is Bitcoin on the daily. You can see it's a strong buy. On the oscillators, it's a buy. The moving averages, it's a strong buy. If we go to the weekly, Bitcoin's still a buy. On the moving averages, a strong buy. And if we go to the monthly, okay, 1 month, it's a buy. Moving averages, it's a strong buy. So Bitcoin's looking strong right now. This could be the big retrace that we've been waiting for out of this market. You know, if we take Bitcoin and put a Fibonacci on this thing, we've been waiting for this for a while. Okay, I believe Bitcoin is definitely turning bullish here, especially with all them RSIs resetting. The only one that concerns me, that weekly is a little high. Okay, so that could come down halfway and flip right back up. Whatever it takes here, I believe we are entering a bullish time for this market. You know, hopefully an alt season. Looks like that Bitcoin dominance is, I'll show you that here in a second too. But just to get back up to the 618 would put us at 42,000. Up at this 702, you'd be looking at $48,000 Bitcoin. Okay, you always get a retrace at least to the 618. Okay, now if we look at that Bitcoin dominance, let's put this on here. Okay, this is on the weekly chart. You can see down at the bottom there, that weekly RSI is right at the top. Now it looks like it's flipping back up. Okay, it's been in this channel right here since May of 2021. Okay, so it's been there a long time. If we put this on a daily, that RSI is turning up also. Okay, so Bitcoin could break out of this, and definitely could, absolutely, no question about it. But hope we want to see it get rejected up there at that, roughly 49% area. I'll keep you updated on this. I look at this thing every single day. Okay, now that falling dollar, we got that DXY still coming down. It's down another 0.38% today. And if you watched any of the other videos, we talked that you need a falling dollar to have a rising Bitcoin and altcoins in this market. Okay, that dollar is coming back down to that support zone. All right, we're expecting to break that at 100.7 and expect it to do a fifth wave down here. All right, so let's move on through here. Let's get back to what we're here for. Okay, now I just want to show you the crypto bubbles real quick because I got some big gainers out there today. Here's on the daily. You can see XRD, Render, Casper, Injective, COSPA, CFX. Look at these big gains today. Obviously because of Bitcoin breaking out, that's why I talk about Bitcoin in every video I do. You have to have a breaking out Bitcoin to get these things running. Okay, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, we talked you know, the last couple days to about seeing an increase in this volume. How about that? 56%. The market cap is up 6.61% today. Bitcoin dominance is almost up 2%, which is definitely a lot. So we're at a 56 for the crypto fear and greed indicator. We were at a 53 yesterday. Here's the top 100 from CoinMarketCap. I'm going to reload this because it's changing every second. You can see we only have 3 red ones on the right hand side, and one of them is a stable coin. So let's go down through here. If you want to freeze the screen, you're more than welcome to. But pretty much everything is up today, which is great to see. We've been waiting for this and talking about it. All these coins have been lining up. Almost every single altcoin, the daily RSI is reset on them. Okay, so FET, number 1 here, this cup and handle pattern. Okay, you don't see these form a whole lot. If we get the breakout of this thing, okay, what you do, you take the measurement right here at the beginning of the handle to the bottom of the cup, right there. Okay, and I have a Fibonacci on this, and then you take it to the roughly to the breakout point of the handle. Okay, even if it comes down here to the breakout point, which would work out perfect. Okay, ever since we went into this bear market, and we were up at $1.24, then rolled over down into the bear market. This thing is we haven't got much of a retrace at it. If we get that breakout, that would put us up to the 618 at 64 cents. If it goes up to that 702, that's 77 cents. That would be a, let's measure this out, you know, 80 to 90% jump in here. Okay, so we're all rooting for this to break out. Okay, it's no guarantees. Nothing is a guarantee in this market. But if you look down at the bottom, the daily RSI on FET, let me get my other screen up here. Okay, the daily RSI is reset down at the bottom, and the biggest one, wait till I show you this, that daily is reset. Look at the weekly. The weekly is about reset on this thing. So FET looks like it could be preparing for a massive move. Okay, so I think a lot of people out there are turning their heads to it and forgetting about this thing, but it's been you know, just dead here long enough. Actually, this thing was bull flagging. This is actually a bull flag here too. Okay, you got your downward sloping flag, and then you got your flagpole, you know. So that's also a bull flag, you know, along with a cup and handle. You got 2 bullish patterns in one here. So things are looking great for this thing. Obviously, this could be a 5 wave up too, you know, that will give us our, you know, we'll just have to wait to see how it plays out. You know, this is on the weekly, like I said. You know, it's hard to say how it could play out. It could be a 5 wave up, might not be. It might be just that cup and handle, and if we get that breakout, that's massive. Like you've seen, 80 to 100% breakout here. So that could take us back up towards all-time highs here again. You know, at least get us a retrace in this market. You know, if Bitcoin does not break out into an all-time high, we just have a retrace in this market. You know, like I said, that would get us back up to the 62 to 75 cent range. So all right, this thing's looking great. Please hit that subscribe button and the like button. I would appreciate that so much, guys. And thank you so much for watching my video. It means the world to me, and I hope everybody has a great day. I'll talk to you real soon.